To remove the door mirror, you need to remove the tweeter cover, and I would have said to do the job properly you do need to remove the door card, but that's entirely up to you. You can see the bolts, the lower bolts for the mirror and the bracket for the tweeter with the door card in position, but I think that you're most likely to drop this bolt into the void behind the door card. So if you want to remove the door card, I'll put a link to that in the description. Otherwise, we've got two 10mm bolts at the bottom that need to be removed, and these are bolted into the mirror, but they're actually the bracket for the tweeter. You can just leave the tweeter hanging out of the way. Then this third bolt at the top. Now you'll have this clip here holding the mirror in position, and it needs squeezing through the hole. Remove the wiring connector and squeeze this clip here and push the wiring through the hole.